Good morning, grade 9. This is lesson number 7 of chemistry and chapter 4, structure of molecules. Today the topic is types of covalent bond, as the previous one was about covalent bond. It's given on page number 99 to 102. Types of covalent bond. The covalent bond is further divided into three types: single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. This division is on the basis of number of electrons shared from each side to form a molecule or a compound. Coming towards the first one, single covalent bond. The bonds in which two atoms share one electron each to form a pair of electrons is called single covalent bond. A single straight line shows the single covalent bond. For example, hydrogen molecule, chlorine molecule and fluorine molecule. This is chlorine and another chlorine atom. So two chlorine atoms are here with 17 atomic number. So 7 electrons in their outer shell and both of them need one electron. So by sharing one electron with each other, as a result single pair will form, which result in a single straight line. So by sharing one electron by each atom, a covalent bond will form, a single covalent bond will form between the chlorine atoms to form a chlorine molecule. So this is single pair and it will result in a single straight line. This is methane molecule, carbon with atomic number 6. So 2 electrons in first shell and 4 electrons in last shell, the outer shell. So this cross, let's consider these crosses are of carbon and this dot is of hydrogen. So one electron is sharing by hydrogen and one by carbon. Together they form a single pair, so a single covalent bond will result. So carbon form 4 single covalent bond with 4 hydrogen atoms in order to complete its octet, and the duplet of hydrogen will also get complete. As a result, the methane molecule will form, and these are the 4 single covalent bond between 4 hydrogen atoms and a single carbon atom. Double covalent bond, the bond in which two atoms share 2 electrons each to form 2 pairs of electrons, is called double covalent bond. A double straight line shows such covalent bond. Example: oxygen molecule, ethene and carbon dioxide, etc. Now this is oxygen atom and other oxygen atom with atomic number 8. So 6 electrons in the outer shell. They need 2 electrons. Both of them need 2 electrons. Okay, if they share 1 electron from each side, then the outer electron will become 7, and that is not the case. They need to complete the 8 electrons. So both of them will share 2 electrons from their side, and as a result 2 pairs and 4 electrons will form. So 2 lines will come here. Double covalent bond will form between 2 oxygen atom to form oxygen molecule. Is it clear? Now triple covalent bond, the bond in which 2 atoms share 3 electrons each to form 3 pairs of electron, is called triple covalent bond. A triple straight line shows a covalent bond in which total 6 electrons are shared. For example, nitrogen molecule, and this is ethane. Nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen molecule is formed from 2 nitrogen atoms. The nitrogen atom electronic configuration is 2 and 5. So means atomic number is 7, 2 in first shell and 5 in the second. A nitrogen atom has 5 electrons in the valence shell and it shares 3 electrons with another nitrogen atom to form nitrogen molecule. In this way, both nitrogen atoms attain inert gas neon and complete their octet. So this is nitrogen atom with 5 outer electron, means it need 3 electrons. So by sharing 1 electron, it will become 6. By sharing another electrons, it will become 7. But by sharing 3 electrons from each side, then both will get complete with 8 electrons. The octet will get complete. So two nitrogen atom share 3 electrons from each side to form 3 pairs, means 6 electrons will be shared between them, and this will result in a nitrogen molecule. So in nitrogen molecule, a triple covalent bond formed. Are you getting this all? Okay. If you want to make your concept more clear, you have to see this structure and also this one and this one. You can check it in your book, and these are also available on net. So you will get this concept very clearly. Okay. Now coming towards your homework, the first question is, which one of the following is uncombined atoms, molecules and consist of ions? So O2, Ne, NO2, KCl, Na2O. इसको आपने बड़ा ध्यान से देखना है, and you have to decide which one is the molecule which is uncombined and which consists of ions. Okay, I would like to give you a hint. O2, it is made up of same atoms. So this is a combined form, this is not uncombined atoms. And oxygen is a non-metal. So this is also a hint for you, that is it consist of ions or not. Which one of the following is uncombined atoms, molecules and consist of ions? Again the same, H2, He, HCl and HgO. You can take help of your book. Their examples are given and you can take help from there. You have to note it down in your notebooks. Thank you, class.